Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the free watch faces that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. These watch faces are available for free at the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. So the first watch face of today's video is with the name of TM004. This is a really cool looking watch face and it also has some further customizations available. By simply clicking on customize, you can change the background color of this watch face. There are multiple color options to choose from and the color will be changed, and it also has some compilation option in which you can add a shortcut. There are multiple color options available with this watch face, so you can check out the one you like. So do check out this watch face. This is available for free at the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. I really like the font of this watch face. Now let's move on to the next watch face of today's video, which is with the name of GS Digital 3A. This watch face is also available for free and it has some really cool customizations also available. There are some shortcuts also with this watch face that you can directly access from here. And to customize this watch face, you have to click on this icon and then you have to click on color. Now you can change the color of the watch face. As you can see, there are multiple color options available. You can choose the color you like. You can change the color of the date and time, seconds or battery or whatever you like. Also, there are some other background options and texture options available with this watch face. As you can see, there is this new texture available with this watch face. There are 10 different textures available to choose from. You can select the one you like. Also, you can change the font of this watch face as well. As you can see, there are multiple font options available with this watch face, but my favorite one is this font. And talking about some other customizations, so in the end it has some other general settings available with this watch face, like you can change the 24-hour format or HR interval. So do check out this watch face as I really like this watch face. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. By the way, you can also customize the always on display mode by going into these settings. So check out this watch face for free as it is available in your Play Store app of the Galaxy Watch. Now moving on to the next watch face, which is with the name of racing. It also has this racing type of font on the digital time. Talking about customizations, to it has customizations of element color. There are multiple color options of elements to choose from, and then we have some general settings of height, phone battery or not, while the other features like background and widgets and shortcuts are available with the premium version of this watch face. So if you want to use those features, you will have to purchase the premium version of this watch face. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So check out these watch faces. These are available for free on the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates and new watch faces.